Feet away from me. Stop!
Oh, she's barely tapping her. Barely touching her.
Oh. What's going on over here? Somebody being a stinker? She likes
spitting out apple skin.
She likes to bite the skin off the apple and then spit it out. So we're having a day. I'm sick now with what Michael had. Last night at Michael's dad's, my throat started to tickle, and I'm a little bit allergic to cats, I think. And then I don't know, we were over there and it felt like this tickle, and then as soon as we got back to the hotel, it started to hurt, which is how Michael started with a sore throat. And then like all night last night, I was just feeling rough, and I still do. Well, then Michael is still sick, and he's been sleeping. It's almost 1 o'clock, and he's been just kind of napping in bed. Look at you, like a little ballerina. Wow. So we're not sure what we're going to accomplish today just because we're not feeling well. We do know we have to go out later because we still need a couple Christmas presents, and we're going back to Michael's dad's tomorrow to celebrate Christmas with them. So we'll have to go out and run some errands and stuff. But yeah, we're all just kind of chilling and taking it easy because we don't feel good. The kids are okay so far. Yeah, I think somebody needs their pants changed. You can smell that through your stuffy nose, huh?
Yeah.
I got him.
You did it. You got him. You got him with your poop. Don't. Oh, she's got a mouthful of apple that's coming out. Yuck.
Ew.
Things coming out of orifices. Okay, so we are headed out to the store. And we saw snow flurries. They're like the teeniest, tiniest.
It's not even flurries. There's a few random flakes floating through the air.
Yeah, Michael's having a fit. He's like, guys, get over it.
It's not gonna snow.
Hey, it counts. We walked out the door because Michael was warming up the truck. Alex and I walked out the door, and a little white thing flew by my face, and I freaked out. I was like, "Ow, it's snowing! That was a snow flurry! It was a flake!" So Alex and I were like freaking out the whole time we were getting ready to go because we saw like 1 or 2 random bits of snow. Hey, it counts, especially when we didn't think we'd get any. It's not gonna like, you know, gather on the ground or anything like that.
We stop vlogging and then it just pours down.
It's Michael's having a fit because he's like,
I'm not having a fit.
Well, no, he's like, you're not getting any snow. It's not gonna snow. You're not getting any snow. It counts. It counts as snow.
You're not going sledding.
Well, no, we're not going sledding. That would be nice. Actually, I don't even know because with us not feeling good, I don't know if we would have even gone.
Yeah,
we probably would have. Just because we only get to come up and do that sort of thing once a year, so we probably would have anyway. But man, 32 degrees right now. Ooh, it's cold. Trying to see if you guys can see the snow falling. You can kind of see it up against this. Oh, there went some. Up against. Oh, there goes some more.
I know it's falling.
There's a little piece right here. We're in Ikea. We're gonna go shop around. Alex and her hat make her eyebrows disappear. She's going, I can make my eyebrows disappear. Now we're gonna go shop around for a little bit and probably eat dinner here too because they have pretty good food here. I can make my face disappear. My face. Oh my gosh. You gonna cook us some dinner? You gonna make us dinner? It's like your own apartment. Where'd she go? Chelsea wants to go through.
Go on the other side.
Chelsea's turn.
Ready?
Wow! Her face was all lit up. Wow, what fun!
Okay, one more time.
Surprised she's not wanting out and doing it. Ooh. Pretty! Pretty daddy! Pretty Alex! Chelsea's found a bedroom.
And a kitchen.
Ooh, that's a cute kitchen. Wow! That's the same bed Anna has in her room.
Just move right on in.
Look, we got
Perfect.
some bins for you. Your own wrapping
That's like a little closet thing. That's pretty cool. We're talking about.
You can like open up the cabinets and there's like things inside.
We're like talking about refurnishing our house with all Ikea stuff.
Creepy baby doll.
Where? Oh, down there. Creepy baby. Oh my goodness. I like that little chair over there. That's cool.
Chelsea? Look at this chair.
Yeah, that's the thing. She'd try to rock in it and it would tip over.
No, it's sturdy. It's not going anywhere. Wow. Stop in there.
Mikey's found a bed. Alex has found a bed.
I'm just sitting.
Chelsea's found drawers and cabinets to open.
Chelsea is loving being able to open all these little drawers. She would love this. This would be awesome for storage, and then she could play with the drawers.
With muddy footprints on the rug.
Muddy footprints? Oh, there are muddy footprints over there.
I just realized that.
She could just move right in. She'd be perfectly happy. I don't think you're getting very far. Are you stuck?
I need to retry.
Okay, time to go.
I'm almost there.
I think you're gonna get stuck.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
No.
It's really dirty in here.
Well, yeah.
And I.
Watch out.
Oh my gosh. No, not gonna do it. I'm just gonna go around. She found the tunnel and she started squealing.
Good.
Follow sister. Yay! You did it! Yay! You did it! Remember last year when we were here and she was so little and she had the little mushroom hat on? Oh my gosh. And I pushed the cart through here so she could go through it. They had the mushroom hat somewhere. I saw them, but I don't know where.
Go vlog her from that side. I'll have her come through.
Whoa.
Stay on the side. She's coming.
Yay! You did it! Do you rock, Daddy?
You know I'm gonna need help getting out of this.
Uh-huh. I was wondering why you were sitting there for so long. Are you waiting for me to come help?
Yeah. Weird.
Let me sit in
It
it.
is really curved. Oh dear. My God.
I'm telling you,
I almost couldn't
weird
help.
how like I would have literally had to roll out of it.
Oh, I should have just let you roll. I would have vlogged it. Careful, she's pushing you. Don't go back too far.
Whoa.
Are you pushing me? Yep, she's pushing.
Look at that. That's like Minecraft colors with the black and the green. Okay, we're eating dinner at Ikea. Michael got soup and sandwich. Soup and sandwich. Alex got a chicken meal. I got a chicken meal to share with Chelsea. Yeah, you like the light? Got a pretty light above us.
What are you doing?
At the Wayne County Light Fest. I can't even talk.
No,
Line
there's actually
Fest.
not a line.
Oh, there's not a line. Usually we have to wait like a really long time. So this is the Light Fest. Whoa! We come to every year.
Oh, there is one.
Last year Chelsea was so little.
It's nothing though.
We used to have to wait all the way up on the highway to see anything. So this is nothing. Yeah, we're gonna see lots of pretty lights.
We have arrived. Whee! Is she up? Nope. Oh, I see her eyes.
She's all sweaty and probably got the
We just got back from the Lightfest.
Sleeping with her eyes open. That's funny. Her eyes are open. She's asleep with her eyes open. Oh, she only fell asleep a few minutes ago. Like maybe 10 minutes ago.
So it's that warm, cozy car.
Her hair is wet though from sweat.